Hey guys, and welcome to another video. Now we recently unboxed this Redmi Note 8 Pro, and a lot of you guys seem to have a lot of general questions around it. So I thought I'll make a FAQ video on this. So I'll just answer the most frequent questions or most common questions you guys might have. But before we get started, if you could hit the subscribe button and help us grow the channel, it will be great. So now let's get started. Now the first most frequently asked question is that does it have an under-display fingerprint scanner? The answer is sadly no. Now that it comes at that price point of 16,000 rupees, still no. But there is one in the back, and it's actually very fast. Now let me show you. Now as you can see, I'm putting my finger here, and as soon as I look at it, it's unlocked. So it's very fast, and I'm really happy with the performance of the fingerprint scanner. So it doesn't make me miss any under-display fingerprint scanner. So you just pull it out of your pocket, put your finger on the back, and it's already unlocked by the time you try to stare at the screen. So I don't really miss it. So moving on to the next one is about the headphone jack. Yes, this phone still has a headphone jack. Sadly, we have not been seeing so much of that in our recent Samsung phones, but yes, this phone does have a headphone jack, and you can use your old wired headphones for a little bit longer. So that's a good thing. And moving on to the third question is whether this device has stereo speakers, and sadly no, we don't have any stereo speakers. I tried closing the bottom speaker and watching a YouTube video, but no, the earpiece doesn't double as a speaker. If something like this was there, I guess Redmi would have told in the keynote. So we don't have any stereo speaker implementation, but the speaker that we have actually gets decently loud, and it's not that bad of a quality, so you'll probably be okay with that. But yes, we don't have any stereo speakers with this. Now the fourth one is about ads. Are we getting any MIUI ads with this device? Frankly no, I haven't experienced any ads on this phone after I've unboxed it and used it for a couple of days. So I haven't even seen little ads like pop-ups also. So it's just very nice, but you have to know that there are a little bit of bloatware, like I've showed you in the unboxing video. There are bloatware like games and some other software that Redmi pre-installs on this. But the good news is that you can uninstall all of them, so it's not a big deal. And the next thing is about battery life, and this thing has a 4500 mAh battery, and yeah, it lasts all day without any doubts. At the end of each day, I was easily having 25 to 30% battery left, so it's battery life wise it's not a problem at all. You will anyway have a whole day battery and a little bit more left to go on to your next day, so it's a nice battery life. And the last question I'll be answering is about the performance and the gaming on this device. Yes, I've played like games like PUBG and Call of Duty on this phone on high settings, and I'm very happy to tell you that it doesn't lag. A couple of frame drops here and there, but not a big deal. It's actually, the new chipset is actually keeping up really well, and it's also optimized for battery life. So standby times also, I'm seeing very great times with this. So daily usage wise, you won't see any difference. You won't see it slowing down, and the gaming is also great. So that ends the most frequently asked questions on this device. And if you have any more questions, post them in the comment section. If you like the video, consider leaving a like and subscribe for more cool stuff like this, and I'll see you in the next one.